Hello, you beautiful people. 0 to 100 adventure here, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing my Parrot Anafi drone. Okay, so those of you that follow my channel will know that I've upgraded from the Bebop 2, the Parrot Bebop 2, to this Parrot Anafi. The reason why I've done this is I needed to carry a big case to pack the drone and extra batteries, the chargers and the remote control, so it was quite a mission to travel around with it. And a lot of the times I have left it at home because it was just too much to lug around. So I have opted for this beauty here, the Parrot Anafi, and the difference is basically that it now folds into a really small form factor and you can shove it in a backpack. It is really light, great little drone. The other major difference is it has a mechanical gimbal, right? So it has a mechanical gimbal for the vertical movement and also the pitch, but it has an image stabilization, electronic image stabilization for the yaw. Right, I like this drone. The other upgrades to this has been that they've given it these two propellers that is not fixed, which is really silent. The battery is still around 25 minutes. It has a much higher sensor, so now it can record in 4K and HDR. It has the option to look all the way up. It's the only drone that can do that, right? So you can adjust it to look up. What else? The drone itself has a much higher image sensor, so I believe it is 21 megapixel. It does 4K HDR. It has digital zoom as well, up to 4 times on 1080p, which is really brilliant. It can help with you framing the picture. The drone itself, I'm really happy with. I've been happy with the Parrot. For a hobbyist like myself, this is all that I need. It does function well. The software is very good. I like the overall package. It's not an expensive drone, and I think that, it's a drone that I can recommend to those of you that just want to have a little bit of fun and film your adventures. And this is exactly what I'm going to be doing today, is I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be using this to do some follow me's. Now, the software itself, the app, the follow me app, and everything else is really good. It has a lot of functionality. It has a lot of options, guys. Yes, and I will review what this drone can do. When you take it on tour, it can basically film the scenery. It can film the architecture. If you're going to visit castles like I do, you can use it to do various scenes. It's all built in. The follow me mode and the flight mode is an in-app purchase. It was not expensive, at least here in Poland. I paid something like 99 cents. So I recommend it. It's worthwhile. Really great drone. Let's stop the talking and let's show you guys what this drone can actually do. So I've just finished calibrating it right now. And I'm going to do now the follow me with my bike. And it's Easter weekend here. The sun is setting. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so what I like about this drone as well, you can actually hand launch it, which is what I'm going to do now. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and it's up in the air. Right. It's set its home position. I'm going to now control it to follow me. It's now recording. Okay, right, so we've got the drone up in the air right now. I'm going to bring it a bit lower. Alright, that looks like a good fit. Yeah, I'm going to go into follow me mode. There we go, it's setting up the GPS. Yeah, GPS is now set. Draw a square around myself. Yeah, I'm not going to choose track, I'm going to choose locked. Yeah, or let me try dynamic. No, I think locked is good. Okay, so I've got this handy little phone holder here. I'm going to change. Alright, okay, so let's do this. Okay, I can see what's going on with the drone on my motorbike. I've got my phone holder there, the drone is there, and yeah, I've got it all set up to start following me. So let's see what it does. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, look at that. There we go. There you can see the drone. I'm doing 20 kilometers right now. Let's speed up. And the drone is keeping up quite well with the motorbike. Doing 26 kilometers an hour right now. And it's doing good. There we go. Excellent. All right. Let's do a front shot. Let's bring the drone in. Stop. Alright, so let's see if the front... What's happening? Go. 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 Oh yeah. Alright. Are you working now? Yes, she is, but she's a little bit slow to react. Come on, baby. Come on. Go back. Go back. Go. Fly away. Fly away. Fly away. There we go. You woke up finally. Okay. So, the app just needed to be reset. There we go. This is a front position. I'm starting to speed up. Oh yeah. Okay. So, beautiful. Beautiful. Love ya. Alright. Okay, before we go into trees, stop. Okay, alrighty. Let's do that from the side again. I love it. Okay. So, manual flight. Let's get out of there. Very good, very good. So let's try HDR, ladies and gentlemen, while we are at it. Turn around. Let's get some dynamic range contrast there. Okay. So, stop recording. Let's look at standard. Can I get standard in here? Okay. HDR. Let's start recording in HDR. Okay, what's happening? Are we recording? Okay, this is filming now in HDR. Let's bring her back. Let's bring her down. Let's do follow me Once more. Let's highlight that. Let's get it better. Okay, so, and let's do locked on mode. And let's go. Is it going to lose the subject? Yes. Come on. Here I am. So let's go out of HDR. So we're going to stop recording in HDR. Too much dynamic range. Subject is too close, it says. Let's bring it out. Alright. Follow me. Let's start recording, and here we go. Beautiful, and you can see straight away that it starts to work. And this is at a different angle right now, so my drone is out there following me in a locked mode, slightly back. Very good, very good. All right, excellent. That seals the deal. Software is working great. Let's bring her in. The Parrot Anafi, ladies and gentlemen. The upgrade to the Parrot bebop. And I'm really happy with this purchase. Even if it's just for the form factor with the foldable legs, I can now take it everywhere. The main problem with the other bebop 2 was I had everything packed in a huge case, and this is perfect for my needs because it has become so much smaller, yeah. And of course they've upgraded it with a lot more features. Like I've said earlier, yeah, the biggest feature of this drone right now is the ability to have a mechanical gimbal and a higher sensor with digital zoom, and this films all the way up, which is the only drone at the moment that can do this. Yeah, this is going to be a great addition to my minimalized kit, which I've showed you in previous videos as well. Yeah, so that's the Parrot Anafi, ladies and gentlemen. Let me give you my thoughts of the Parrot Anafi. I'm very happy with the Parrot Anafi. I think it is a vast improvement over the bebop, and I enjoyed the bebop a hell of a lot. What stopped me from enjoying it as much as I could have was the form factor being inside this case. Going on holiday, you already have a lot of luggage, especially with kids. You've got to look after the kids. You don't need an extra piece of luggage because I carry my video equipment, my chargers, my laptops, my tablets, and so forth. So it's generally one bag for that. If I had to take another bag and still look after the kids, the biggest problem with that is, yep, it's an extra piece of luggage with the bebop 2. So it has been vastly improved. The form factor is great. I can now pack the Sky controller and the bebop basically almost anywhere. So that's what I think. Number 2, I think that I have to get another battery. Although 25 minutes is great, it's not enough. Yeah, I need at least 50 minutes of flight time to do everything that I want to do. 25 minutes is just on the short side. It takes a long time to charge. That's a downside. Yeah, it takes about 2+ hours to charge the battery full. It's very light, it's very compact. 25 minutes flight time is great on one battery, but ideally you would need two. There is, I think, a fast charger available to charge up the batteries fast, but you're not going to stick around 2.5 hours on scene to basically get the battery up to speed. So that's the only downside that I have with this drone. Otherwise, I cannot fault anything else. Yeah, software is software, apps are apps. They do give you problems every now and again, like I had to restart my app to get the damn thing to follow me from the front, but that is generally human error. If you do take proper steps, generally my impressions of the Parrot Free Flight apps or Free Flight Pro is that they are really good. They're really good and they don't give you that much hassle. So I had some problems today getting it to follow me from the front. Once I restarted the app, it works. That's always a solution with anything. If it's not working, restart your computer. If the app's not working, restart the phone. If the GPS is not, you guys get it. Doesn't matter. It works. It's flawless. It's brilliant. I love the app. I love the Parrot Anafi. That's all I've got to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can highly recommend this. It's not a pro grade drone. It is designed for you hobbyists out there. You can take some really good footage. It's 4K. The quality is brilliant. The stabilization, the gimbal stabilization is very good. The electronic image stabilization for the yaw is brilliant. You've got options to use it in film mode. You've got options to use it in sports mode. In film mode, it is a more controlled speed. If you use it basically in sports mode, you can reach quite high kilometers. For filming, it's not advised, of course. You start to get jello and you start to get artifacts. So yeah, that's all I've got to say, guys. I'm rumbling on. You know me, I like to talk shit. So those of you that liked the channel, subscribe. Thank you. 0 to 100, over and out.
Thank you for watching my channel 0 to 100 Adventure, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and share to help a guy grow his channel. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please follow the links to the right. Thank you and hope to see you soon.